Today, I'm going to walk you through a move-out cleaning that my team recently completed, and I'm going to point out the top 10 things that are typically missed during a move-out clean. Let's go.
We are doing a move-out clean today. Go ahead and get started. Since COVID-19, obviously my business has suffered. Obviously not getting like the casual person who wants cleaning. However, we are still doing well with the move in and move out clean. On Tuesday of this week, we got 3 move out cleans booked in one day, which is really good under the circumstances. What I really love about move-out cleans is I really feel like they are really recession-proof, because no matter what is going on, people are still going to be moving in, moving out, buying homes, selling homes. So always a good line of business. Client just arrived. She's doing a walkthrough. We're not all the way finished yet, but she was in the neighborhood, so she decided to stop by.
How's everything look so far?
So far, so good.
You guys are all set. I have your credit card.
Okay.
I'll just go ahead and charge it and you'll get an email notification.
Awesome. Thank you so much again.
No problem.
Wonderful.
Good, thanks, bye.
Bye.